Was and were in English. Was is used for singular subjects, I, he, she, it, to describe something in the past. Was का उपयोग एकवचन I, he, she, it के साथ किया जाता है, जो कुछ समय पहले हुआ था. I was tired. मैं थका हुआ था. She was at home. वह घर पर थी. He was late for school. वह स्कूल के लिए देर से पहुंचा. The book was on the table. किताब मेज पर थी. It was cold yesterday. कल ठंड थी. वह is used for plural subjects, we, you, they, to describe something in the past. वह का उपयोग बहुवचन we, you, they के साथ किया जाता है, जो कुछ समय पहले हुआ था. We were happy. हम खुश थे. They were playing outside. वे बाहर खेल रहे थे. You were in the garden. आप बगीचे में थे. The students were in the classroom. छात्र कक्षा में थे. The stars were shining. तारे चमक रहे थे. Use was with I, he, she, it एकवचन के लिए. I, he, she, it के साथ was का उपयोग करें. Use were with we, you, they बहुवचन के लिए. We, you, they के साथ were का उपयोग करें. I was happy yesterday. मैं कल खुश था. She was at school. वह स्कूल में थी. He was my friend. वह मेरा दोस्त था. It was a sunny day. यह एक धूप वाला दिन था. The book was on the table. किताब मेज पर थी. I was late to the meeting. मैं बैठक में देर से पहुंचा था. She was tired after work. वह काम के बाद थकी हुई थी. The dog was outside. कुत्ता बाहर था. He was in the garden. वह बगीचे में था. The movie was interesting. फिल्म दिलचस्प थी. I was at the store. मैं दुकान पर था. She was cooking dinner. वह रात का खाना बना रही थी. He was reading a book. वह किताब पढ़ रहा था. The cake was delicious. केक स्वादिष्ट था. It was a big house. यह एक बड़ा घर था. Were examples. We were tired. हम थके हुए थे. They were hungry. वे भूखे. You were late. तुम देर से आए थे. The flowers were beautiful. फूल सुंदर थे. The doors were open. दरवाजे खुले थे. We were at the store. हम दुकान पर थे. They were in the garden. वे बगीचे में थे. You were right. तुम सही थे. The shoes were new. जूते नए थे. We were excited. हम उत्साहित थे. The books were on the table. किताबें मेज पर थीं. They were very happy. वे बहुत खुश थे. You were my teacher. तुम मेरे शिक्षक थे. The roads were busy. सड़कें व्यस्त थीं. We were in the same class. हम एक ही कक्षा में थे. The stars were visible. तारे दिखाई दे रहे थे. They were in trouble. वे मुसीबत में थे. You were my neighbor. तुम मेरे पड़ोसी थे. The apples were fresh. सेब ताजे थे. We were very quiet. हम बहुत शांत थे. 20 simple sentences using I with was. I was happy. मैं खुश था. I was tired. मैं थका हुआ था. I was late. मैं देर से आया था. I was hungry. मैं भूखा था. I was at home. मैं घर पर था. I was sick. मैं बीमार था. I was in the park. मैं पार्क में था. I was busy. मैं व्यस्त था. I was excited. मैं उत्साहित था. I was surprised. मैं हैरान था. I was alone. मैं अकेला था. I was at school. मैं स्कूल में था. I was cold. मुझे ठंड लग रही थी. I was in the car. मैं गाड़ी में था. I was lost. मैं खो गया था. I was scared. मैं डरा हुआ था. I was at the store. मैं दुकान पर था. I was asleep. मैं सो रहा था. I was young. मैं छोटा था. I was at the meeting. मैं बैठक में था. 20 simple sentences using you with were. You were happy. तुम खुश थे. You were tired. तुम थके हुए थे. You were late. तुम देर से आए थे. You were hungry. तुम भूखे थे. You were at home. तुम घर पर थे. You were sick. तुम बीमार थे. You were in the park. तुम पार्क में थे. You were busy. तुम व्यस्त थे. You were excited. तुम उत्साहित थे. You were surprised. तुम हैरान थे. You were alone. तुम अकेले थे. You were at school. तुम स्कूल में थे. You were cold. तुम्हें ठंड लग रही थी. You were in the car. तुम गाड़ी में थे. You were lost. तुम खो गए थे. You were scared. तुम डरे हुए थे. You were at the store. तुम दुकान पर थे. You were asleep. तुम सो रहे थे. You were young. तुम छोटे थे. You were at the meeting. तुम बैठक में थे। 20 simple sentences using I with was. I was tired last night. मैं पिछले रात थका था। I was at the party last week. मैं पिछले सप्ताह पार्टी में था। I was a student last year. मैं पिछले साल छात्र था। I was happy last weekend. मैं पिछले सप्ताहांत खुश था। I was late to the meeting last time. मैं पिछली बार बैठक के लिए देर से आया था। I was hungry last evening. मैं पिछले शाम भूखा था। I was at home last Monday. मैं पिछले सोमवार को घर पर था। I was excited last month. मैं पिछले महीने उत्साहित था। I was sick last week. मैं पिछले सप्ताह बीमार था। I was in the meeting last Friday. मैं पिछले शुक्रवार को बैठक में था। I was a teacher last semester. मैं पिछले सेमेस्टर में शिक्षक था। I was bored last evening. मैं पिछले शाम ऊब गया था। I was a guest last year. मैं पिछले साल मेहमान था। I was afraid last night. मैं पिछले रात डरा हुआ था। I was tired of the noise last month. मैं पिछले महीने शोर से थका हुआ था। I was in the park last Sunday. मैं पिछले रविवार को पार्क में था। I was surprised last time. मैं पिछली बार आश्चर्यचकित था। I was on vacation last summer. मैं पिछले ग्रीष्मकाल में छुट्टी पर था। I was at the store last weekend. मैं पिछले सप्ताहांत दुकान पर था। I was a fan last year. मैं पिछले साल प्रशंसक था। 20 simple sentences using you with were. You were tired last night. तुम पिछले रात थके हुए थे। You were at the party last week. तुम पिछले सप्ताह पार्टी में थे। You were a student last year. तुम पिछले साल छात्र थे। You were happy last weekend. तुम पिछले सप्ताहांत खुश थे। You were late to the meeting last time. तुम पिछली बार बैठक के लिए देर से आए थे। You were hungry last evening. तुम पिछले शाम भूखे थे। You were at home last Monday. तुम पिछले सोमवार को घर पर थे। You were excited last month. तुम पिछले महीने उत्साहित थे। You were sick last week. तुम पिछले सप्ताह बीमार थे। You were in the meeting last Friday. तुम पिछले शुक्रवार को बैठक में थे। You were a teacher last semester. तुम पिछले सेमेस्टर में शिक्षक थे। You were bored last evening. तुम पिछले शाम ऊब गए थे। You were a guest last year. तुम पिछले साल मेहमान थे। You were afraid last night. तुम पिछले रात डरे हुए थे। You were tired of the noise last month. तुम पिछले महीने शोर से थके हुए थे। You were in the park last Sunday. तुम पिछले रविवार को पार्क में थे। You were surprised last time. तुम पिछली बार आश्चर्यचकित थे। You were on vacation last summer. तुम पिछले ग्रीष्मकाल में छुट्टी पर थे। You were at the store last weekend. तुम पिछले सप्ताहांत दुकान पर थे। You were a fan last year. तुम पिछले साल प्रशंसक थे। 20 simple sentences using you with were. I was not tired. मैं थका हुआ नहीं था। I was not at the party. मैं पार्टी में नहीं था। I was not a student. मैं छात्र नहीं था। I was not happy. मैं खुश नहीं था। I was not late. मैं देर से नहीं आया था। I was not hungry. मैं भूखा नहीं था। I was not at home. मैं घर पर नहीं था। I was not excited. मैं उत्साहित नहीं था। I was not sick. मैं बीमार नहीं था। I was not in the meeting. मैं बैठक में नहीं था। I was not a teacher. मैं शिक्षक नहीं था। I was not bored. मैं ऊब नहीं गया था। I was not a guest. मैं मेहमान नहीं था। I was not afraid. मैं डरा हुआ नहीं था। I was not tired of the noise. मैं शोर से थका हुआ नहीं था। I was not in the park. मैं पार्क में नहीं था। I was not surprised. मैं आश्चर्यचकित नहीं था। I was not on vacation. मैं छुट्टी पर नहीं था। I was not at the store. मैं दुकान पर नहीं था। I was not a fan. मैं प्रशंसक नहीं था। You were not tired. तुम थके हुए नहीं थे। You were not at the party. तुम पार्टी में नहीं थे। You were not a student. तुम छात्र नहीं थे। You were not happy. तुम खुश नहीं थे। You were not late. तुम देर से नहीं आए थे। You were not hungry. तुम भूखे नहीं थे। You were not at home. तुम घर पर नहीं थे। You were not excited. तुम उत्साहित नहीं थे। You were not sick. तुम बीमार नहीं थे। You were not in the meeting. तुम बैठक में नहीं थे। You were not a teacher. तुम शिक्षक नहीं थे। You were not bored. तुम ऊब नहीं गए थे। You were not a guest. तुम मेहमान नहीं थे। You were not afraid. तुम डरे हुए नहीं थे। You were not tired of the noise. तुम शोर से थके हुए नहीं थे। You were not in the park. तुम पार्क में नहीं थे। You were not surprised. तुम आश्चर्यचकित नहीं थे। You were not on vacation. तुम छुट्टी पर नहीं थे। You were not at the store. तुम दुकान पर नहीं थे। You were not a fan. तुम प्रशंसक नहीं थे। Negative examples of was. She was not tired. वह थकी हुई नहीं थी। He was not at the park. वह पार्क में नहीं था। It was not a sunny day. ये धूप वाला दिन नहीं था। She was not happy with the results. वह परिणामों से खुश नहीं थी। He was not late for the appointment. वह अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए देर से नहीं आया था। It was not a difficult task. ये कठिन कार्य नहीं था। She was not a great cook. वह महान रसोइया नहीं थी। He was not sick yesterday. वह कल बीमार नहीं था। It was not a beautiful evening. ये सुंदर शाम नहीं थी। She was not in the office. वह कार्यालय में नहीं थी। He was not a student last year. वह पिछले साल छात्र नहीं था। It was not an interesting book. ये रोचक किताब नहीं थी। She was not excited about the trip. वह यात्रा के बारे में उत्साहित नहीं थी। He was not worried about the exam. वह परीक्षा के बारे में चिंतित नहीं था। It was not an old building. ये पुरानी इमारत नहीं थी। She was not at the store. वह दुकान पर नहीं थी। He was not a guest at the event. वह कार्यक्रम में मेहमान नहीं था। It was not a rainy day. ये बरसाती दिन नहीं था। She was not on vacation last month. वह पिछले महीने छुट्टी पर नहीं थी। He was not the team leader. वह टीम लीडर नहीं था। वह negative examples. They were not tired. वे थके हुए नहीं थे। We were not at the park. हम पार्क में नहीं थे। The students were not excited. छात्र उत्साहित नहीं थे। The dogs were not playing outside. कुत्ते बाहर नहीं खेल रहे थे। The books were not on the table. किताबें मेज पर नहीं थीं। We were not happy with the results. हम परिणामों से खुश नहीं थे। The teams were not ready for the match. टीमें मैच के लिए तैयार नहीं थीं। They were not interested in the topic. वे विषय में रुचि नहीं रखते थे। The teachers were not in the meeting. शिक्षक बैठक में नहीं थे। The cars were not parked outside. गाड़ियाँ बाहर खड़ी नहीं थीं। We were not late to the party. हम पार्टी के लिए देर से नहीं आए थे। The kids were not at the playground. बच्चे खेल के मैदान में नहीं थे। The restaurants were not closed. रेस्तरां बंद नहीं थे। They were not on vacation last summer. वे पिछले गर्मी में छुट्टी पर नहीं थे। The flowers were not beautiful. फूल सुंदर नहीं थे। We were not all in the same class. हम सभी एक ही कक्षा में नहीं थे। The planes were not flying overhead. विमानों ने ऊपर उड़ान नहीं भरी। The guests were not enjoying the event. मेहमान कार्यक्रम का आनंद नहीं ले रहे थे। The roads were not blocked. सड़कें ब्लॉक नहीं थीं। We were not waiting for the bus. हम बस का इंतजार नहीं कर रहे थे।